Ekitiibwa Robert Serwanga, Minisita w'emizannyo abavubuka n'ebitone, Ekitiibwa Israel Kazibwe Kitooke, Minisita w'amawulire okukunga abantu era omwogezi w'Obwakabaka. Yekka gwe mukubidde engalo w'amawulire abalala temubakubidde. Ate omukungu Remi Kisaakye yakulira Majesty Ronald Mwenda Mutebi II, returning 69 on the 13th of April 2024. We thank God for the life of our King, 69 years in a few days. We thank God for all the things that He has enabled our King to accomplish in the last 69 years. Out of the 69 years of our King to date, nearly 31 of them have elapsed since his enthronement. In those nearly 31 years, the Kabaka has addressed many issues concerning the well-being of his people. However, our focus is always on health as we celebrate his birthday. One of the programs marking the Kabaka's birthday is the Kabaka's Birthday Run. Proceeds from the run are used to promote a health cause as may be identified by His Majesty. Since 2020, our focus is on the fight against HIV/AIDS so that it is banished out of Uganda by 2030. UNAIDS named Kabaka the Goodwill Ambassador for the fight against HIV/AIDS in the East and Central African region in 2017. However, that role was turned to the entire African continent in 2023. Statistics show that rates of infection have decimated since this campaign started. Those who are infected take their medicine. A big number get tested to know their status, and many have adopted measures to avoid contracting the virus that causes HIV/AIDS. I extend my appreciation to all people, young and old, companies and organizations, political and religious leaders, Kabaka's officials, clan leaders, and everyone who has bought the Kabaka's Birthday Run kits. I commend our different sponsors, key among them Airtel, and others and partners who have supported this cause. His Majesty the Kabaka usually flags us off. I'm here to inform you that the Kabaka has designated Nalinya Rubuga Agnes Nabaroga to flag us off tomorrow. On the 21st of March, Sabsaja Kabaka flew to Europe to see his medical handlers, and he hasn't been able to return in time for the birthday run. His Majesty the Kabaka will return home as soon as his medical handlers are through with their exercises. I talked to him, and Sabsaja was pleased to know that many people, including President Museveni, Speaker of Parliament Anita Mong, the Leader of Opposition Joel Senyonyi, MPs, religious leaders, including Cardinal Amala, Supreme Mufti Galabuzi bishops, and different companies and organizations have all joined this noble cause. His Majesty is hopeful that our mission of eradicating HIV/AIDS is achievable if we all comply with the advice rendered by the medical personnel. The Kabaka has called upon us all to participate in the run tomorrow in order to realize this goal. Mbebaza nnyo bannaye mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Twabayise endoza ssaawa 10 tukeereye naye mwebale obugumiikiriza era tusaba amawulire gano mugatuuse mu bantu gye badduke twanyise Mukenenya nga tusookera kumwe bannamawulire. Twagala Mukenenya aleme kubakwata ate ne bannayuganda bonna aleme kubakwata. Katonda abakuume.
Katonda omulungi ow'ekisa otubeere Mukama otuwunduguleko emikisa gyo era baffe omukuumenga. Twesimye nnyo olwa baffe ekitiibwa kya Buganda kyava dda naffe tukikumenga. O Uganda, may God uphold thee, we lay our future in thy heart. United, free for liberty, together we'll always